Hey everyone, Eric Hale here. I'll do a sauce review today, a special one here. I got some sauces, some very special limited edition sauces from Chilli Mama Bird herself, Bree from Australia. She made a limited Peachee Lychee sauce. I'm interested in trying it. And then there's a Haba Mocha medium sauce. Mocha sauce. This one is, I'm looking forward to the Peachee Lychee. That one looks really, really good. Good color. Yeah, I'm really happy to have gotten these because these are very limited. She only made so many. I'm lucky enough to have gotten one. All right, let's give it a whirl. Oh, that's a unique smell. Peach and lychee. This ought to be good. Very smooth, creamy texture. I smell the peach in there. Oh, that's good. Very peachy right away. The heat comes in afterwards, nice. Not super hot, but definitely there. Man, this is good. Because I'm so sad that it's not going to last long. I got to save it now. I know there's not any left. That's good. It's a really good sauce. What do you think about making more? Creamy texture. You got a peach flavor off the bat. You can taste a light lychee in there. And then the heat rolls in. Nice, warm, smooth heat. It's really good. Really good. That's an excellent sauce, Bree. Very good on that one. Clean my palate and try that mocha. All right. I'll have a mocha. Let's give it a shot. Ooh, very chocolatey. Let's clean off this. Don't want to taint the sauce with the other sauce. Very smooth, chocolatey. Very chocolatey. I can't really sense the heat, although it says it's medium on here, and I just had the lychee, which is a little warmer, so I can't tell if I'm picking up heat from this or lychee. Nice mocha flavor. That's a very unique sauce too. Very unique. Very nice. Nicely done, Bree. Haba Mocha from Bree, the Chilli Mama Bird herself. Excellent sauces. If you ever get a chance to be able to pick up a sauce from her, if you follow her and you see once in a while, she has, she does many reviews. These are good sauces, and I'm glad to have had them. So thank you very much, and until next time, my friends, stay spicy.